These are Bluetooth wireless headphones. They have touch control. They're LED. They come in a charging case. These are the IPX7. They are water resistant, and they come into this box really well. Jeez, there it goes. Comes with this user manual. You can go through there. You can use them for calling, everything. Here's the charging cable down here. Different earbud attachments. These are a great value. If you're on the fence about using Bluetooth headphones, you can't go wrong with trying these out for the price. Come in this nice carrying case. You see everything is super well packaged. Oh, geez. All right, see even more protective coating over it. This is the carrying case. You can charge up the carrying case here. They are charging, and they it shows you the indicator on that each is charging, and that is the charge level, I believe, of the case. To turn them on, you simply pull them out, and they have different connectors for the ear. You can just test which ones feel best. This is how they look in your ears. They definitely are noise canceling, a lot more than other popular wireless headphones I've tried. I can't hear anything anyone's saying beside me, which is kind of nice, right? So now I got to try to connect them to my phone. I spent the day with these Bluetooth wireless headphones, and I'm impressed. The price they are it really gives me a hard time justifying the expensive other wireless headphones I've been using day to day that I own way too many pairs of. The charging case is nice. They're comfortable. It's a little bit more noise canceling. Like I can't hear out of this ear as well if someone's trying to talk to me. You keep some sort of earbud in, your ear at work like this, and someone's trying to talk to you. That's a little bit of a problem, but that's also a positive if you're on something like an airplane with them. The distance away from my phone, I think I measured at something like 40 feet. I have an acre of property here. I went clear to the other side before it just said disconnected. The call clarity sounds good. I can't really show, you can't hear how they sound, but they sound great with music, podcast calls. They've lasted me all day. The charge time of this case is reported at 1.5 hours. And they're supposed to have a runtime of about 4 to 5 hours, and I didn't see they're dead, nothing like that happened. So I hope this video helps you with your buying decision.